Assalamualaikum Primary 5 parents and students. Let's go through together a commonly asked concept, which is remainder concept. Let's read the question together. Money was collected from 30 students and one form teacher for a class party. $15 was collected from each student, while $75 was collected from the form teacher. 3 out of 7 of the total amounts collected was spent on buying food items. 1 out of 12 of the remainder was spent on chocolates. After spending some money on drinks, there was $98 left. A. What was the total amount of money collected? And B. How much money was spent on drinks? First and foremost, how do we know that this is remainder concept type of question? Because of the keyword remainder in the question. For remainder concept, there are two ways to solve this question. We can either solve by model method as well as branch method. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to solve remainder concept using both branch as well as model method. Let's solve this using model method first. For part A, the question wants us to find the total amount of money collected. That is very easy. 30 multiplied by 15 plus 1 multiplied by 75. Key this into the calculator, you should get $525. Now, part B. Let's use the information starting from this part here. It says 3 out of 7 of the total amounts collected was spent on buying food. Now, students, whenever you see a fraction, you must know what does each number represent. In this case, the 3 units refer to the amount spent on food, while the 7 units refer to the total amount of money in terms of units. We see another fraction there. 1/12 of the remainder was spent on chocolate. This 1 unit was spent on chocolates. These 12 units refer to the remainder after spending on food. So now, let's solve part B using model method. We know that altogether there are 7 units, so I'm going to draw 7 units to represent the total amount of money collected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the first 3 units, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to label it as food. And the rest, I'm going to label them as remainder. Now, out of this remainder, 1/12 was spent on chocolates. If we look at our model, we don't have 12 units of remainder. We have 4 units of remainder. Hence, we need to find out what is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 12. So in this case, it is 12. Hence, for every 1 unit of the remainder, I must split it into 3 so that I will get a total of 12 units of remainder. And I must do the same to the first 3 units, which was spent on food. Every 1 unit split into 3 parts. And one of the units of remainder was spent on chocolate. Hence, I'm going to label that as chocolate. Therefore, all these refer to the amounts of money spent on drinks plus the amount left, which was $98. From part A, we have found out what was the total amount of money collected, which was $525. Hence, we can start to form our first equation for part B. In total, altogether, there are 12 plus 9, 21 units. Hence, 21 units represent $525. The question wants to know how much was spent on drinks. We do not know the exact number of units spent on drinks, but we know that the amount of money spent on drink and the amount of money left consists of 11 units. If 21 units is $525, how do we find 11 units? That will be 525 divided by 21 and we multiply by 11. Key this into the calculator, we should get $275. So this $275 refer to the amount spent on drinks and the amount of money left. Hence, how much was spent on drinks? $275 minus $98, and we get $177. Our 2026 PSLE to O-level classes free trial lessons are now open for registration. To register, simply go to ymsedutech.com or drop us a message at 972064748 or click on the link in bio. We'll see you in class, inshallah. Bye!